Girl, you still don't know how to do your makeup in 2025? Okay, well, you can see my face, so you can see I'm qualified. So grab your notebook, grab your brushes, and listen. Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Nathi, and in today's video I'm going to be finally giving you guys my everyday makeup tutorial, my clean girl makeup tutorial. All the products linked in my description box below. So yes, let's get into the video. So I'm sure by now we all know that the guide to a good beats, a glowy, especially dewy sort of beats, is your skin prep. So first product that I use is my L'Oreal Paris Lumi Glow Lotion. It's like a glow enhancer in the shade Deep Glow 904. I love Maguro. I use this as sort of my primer, but not really, and I will just put some on. It kind of looks crazy like this, but I promise you, as I go like this, it will blend in, okay? The first thing that I do is my waterline. This is optional, but I feel like for me it's not. Like once you do your waterline, you're never gonna go back. Like, I don't want to show this to you guys, but I use the Morphe 35B palette. I believe this is now discontinued. You can literally use any shade of black eyeshadow, but I use the Morphe 35B palette. Mine is crusty, so y'all are not gonna be seeing that. Very angled brush to do it. I'll sort of go in at my waterline like this, and as you can see, it just like defines. I'll go in like towards the end. I don't usually do my whole. So for the next step of my makeup, the next thing that I'll usually do is my concealer. I use two different concealers. They're both the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Okay, so the first one I use is in shade 60. This one I use mainly to correct my hyperpigmentation and just to spot conceal, sort of just like spots that you can see. Yes, so I use this just for the purpose of getting rid of that hyperpigmentation on my face and making my face one shade. Don't say I didn't put you on. I use a powder puff to blend my concealer. So I'm just gonna pat that in. I usually let my concealer sit. I don't know why I didn't do that actually, but that's okay. We're just gonna blend that in. Never drag, guys. Never drag. Just pat this in and just make myself one dimensional. I recently got this Lifter Sticks contour by Maybelline. Pick up this brush. This is also from AliExpress. So we're gonna try this. I'm scared, okay? But I've tried it like sort of, but not like with my actual makeup. I'm just gonna, that's really good. I don't usually contour much because I feel like I have a natural contour. Okay, so we're just gonna put this here. Sometimes I do contour my nose, but not a lot. This is scary. So I'm gonna blend it in with the brush that I showed you guys before, and once again we're gonna blend in, not we're gonna pat, not drag, okay? So I'm just gonna drag I just said that. I'm gonna pat it like, but dragging it sort of to the top. I sort of just drag my contour like here just to accentuate my cheeks. I'm clarking it, and my outer eye, I just really like it. Just gives dimension to the eye, and it like mimics an eyeshadow almost. And then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 55, which is lighter than my skin tone. I'm using yellow lighting, so some of these colors won't come off as it actually does like in person. So I'm just gonna place that there, and then I'm gonna put this same concealer, just flick it up, flick. Okay, for my blush I use the Rare Beauty Melting Blush in the shade Nearly Berry. I'm telling you, for all my dark skin girlies, black girlies, like get you one of these. Really good. It's really pigmented. Y'all know Red Beauty always comes with the pigment. I got this like a year ago, and let me show y'all. Chewed. I'm gonna take this random brush from Amazon, and I'm gonna go in. This is sort of like a crayon-y creamy formula. As a dewy girly, that's just what I like. I'm gonna smile because once again I like to accentuate my features, so I like to bring my blush to my cheeks, and I'll kind of like lift it, but not too much, because I used to do my blush placement here, and I feel like ever since I started doing it on my cheeks as well, it just looks better. No, I do have blush blindness, and I'm aware. I'm actually quite aware. Okay, so this is the first layer of blush that I'm going. I go in with about like 3 layers of blush because somehow I feel like it always flies off my face. We've yapped and the concealer has set. Pat that concealer in. Do y'all see that? Am I being delulu? And I'm gonna sort of bring it in as well, make it cohesive. I sort of also want that line, so I'm gonna keep blending in a line like this. Okay, I do make faces when I'm blending, it's just I don't know. And then this concealer in the middle, for me, this is my personal makeup routine. Okay, I don't have like a nose bridge sort of, so I like to accentuate that feature by joining these two sides. Okay, hear me out, you're gonna see. Just trust the process again. Okay, it's kind of so difficult to blend with nails, y'all. Like, I'm struggling. I'm gonna then go in with my blush once again, but now I'm gonna put some blush on my nose, just on the tip of my nose. I feel like it's just cutesy. I do look like a clown, relax. I know. Same concealer, put it in the same spots that I did before. Also, because I'm explaining to you guys, this is obviously gonna take longer, but usually my makeup routine takes me around 15-20 minutes to complete, but obviously I'm explaining and I'm yapping away. It is gonna take longer. All right, immediately I need to get my powders ready. And guys, my friend put me onto powder because I was very much no powder, because I believed powders is only for matte girlies, and I don't know who said that to me, but you lied. Just because you're a dewy glowy makeup girly doesn't mean you don't need powder, because sometimes you be looking crazy. Your concealer is not gonna last very long, and the creases is gonna show, and powder just makes you look better. Believe in me. So immediately we're gonna start to get my powders ready, because once we blend this concealer in, immediately I'm gonna take that powder. We're not gonna let that concealer breathe. Very cheap as powders. I need to upgrade. Essentially, I use these 2 powders, very cheap. I'm gonna link some in my Amazon storefront. Probably won't be the exact same ones, but the same formula. So the first one I have is literally from Primark. Literally stole it from my sister, and it's just this loose mineral powder. It's in a shade that's lighter than my skin tone, but not completely white. It's just very light. This Technique Focus transparent loose powder, that's why it's white, but it's not gonna like make me white because it's transparent, so it works on every skin tone. Okay, so these are the ones I use. Then I'm gonna go in with the brush that I used for contour before. I'm just going to add a little bit. I don't know, you gotta go like this. With the powder that's my skin tone, and I'm gonna dab, and we're gonna go in. Don't be scared. And I'm doing this so I can make sure I'm not blending in creases, y'all. That's why my creases like this. And I'm gonna go in with the transparent powder. This is what's really gonna do it. And I'm gonna pat it, and I'm gonna go in. Hello. But y'all can see it's still giving glowy, it's still giving demurity. Just the excess blush that I have. And we're gonna smile. and I'm just gonna like drag that, honestly. But usually for my everyday makeup, I don't do lashes unless I'm like doing like I want to feel cutesy or it's an occasion. For this video, I'm gonna do 2 little individual lashes. I'm gonna show you guys which ones I use. Amazon lashes. These are the lashes individuals that I use, and they just eat. These are the Pro Lash Beauty cluster lashes. I'll link them down below as well. In the Into You style. They look worn out because they are. Okay, so I'm gonna use this glue, and it has a bond and seal. I'm gonna use the bond side. So I'm gonna actually do my brows, and for my brows, let me show you what I use. Do you want to know? Yes, I use the Got2b styling gel, as well as yes, I use hair gel wax on my eyebrows. I have naturally very thick eyebrows, so I don't do anything to them, but if you want to, that's cool as well. I'll just put some eyebrow, it's not eyebrow gel, babes, it's hair gel. I like to straighten my lashes, not curl, straighten. Yeah, you heard that right. My lashes are actually very thick, but they're just super curly and short. So I like to straighten them to give them a bit of length, as you can see. And then I only use 2, so then I'll go in with mascara so it sort of doesn't look. But I just use this Lash Sensational mascara by Maybelline. So these are the eyes. Is it giving? Is it giving? Then I'm gonna go in with the NYX Bear With Me setting spray. As you can see, she's loved and adored. She was actually loved and adored by my sister, and I took it back, so she literally shake it up. Okay, and this is kind of gonna bring. So for my lip combo is very odd, to be honest, but I use these 3 products. First thing I will use is this Revolution lip liner. I actually had to get a new one because I lost my I just got. I love this lip liner so much, especially as a black girl with darker skin. It's difficult to find brown lip liners that just aren't black, because I don't be wanting like a full-on black lip liner. I want a one that's dark brown, and this is like perfect. It's also plumping, so you feel like a tingly sensation. It's so weird, but it's so fun. Sometimes I'll go in with what I use for my waterline, which is a black color, to bring like an ombre, like dimensional effect. Do you see what is yo? I'm gonna use this Milk Makeup jelly tint that my friend actually got me. Shout out to her. And I'm just gonna put that in the middle. We are gonna go in with my Summer Fridays. As you can tell, I use this a lot. I'm being truthful with these products. Like, I'm not just blabbing on this small little brush, because I don't like the middle of my lip being too glossy. Then I told y'all my blush disappears. I'm just gonna go in with the excess product left on here. Going in the look.
Credit card, I bet my love, you can keep your heart.
So what do y'all think? It's tea, isn't it? I know. I hope y'all learned something from this video. Let me know if you all want like more beauty sort of content from me. My motto is really just doing makeup that suits your face, and what works for other people may not work for you, and is why you need to experiment. That's what I did to find my routine. I'm feeling myself. Once again, all the products will be linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.